The Huawei Watch 3 smartwatch has been a topic of discussion for a long time, and finally, it is now confirmed that the Watch 3 series will launch on 2nd of June alongside HarmonyOS. More surprisingly, it is the first smartwatch to come with pre-installed HarmonyOS operating system. Previous information suggests that Huawei Watch 3 series will come in two variants, a standard and a pro version. Aside from these, Huawei Watch 3 series will also have new health features such as body temperature detection, breathing rate detection, and other features that will reveal at the launch event. Furthermore, these upcoming smartwatches, new user interface, improved battery life, eSIM support for calling, continuous ECG tracking, and other new fitness features. There is more to know about the upcoming Huawei Watch 3 series, and we'll keep you posted on this matter. That's it for now. Until next time, stay connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, or press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel to get the fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.